In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images in Affinity. By the end, you'll know a fast, non-destructive way to isolate a subject from its background using just a couple of keys and a simple tracing motion. This approach is great when you want a clean cutout for a poster, a thumbnail, or a composite, and it keeps your original image intact. Start with your image open and make sure you can clearly see the subject you want to keep. The first move is straightforward. Press W on your keyboard. That instantly switches to the selection brush tool in Affinity. Think of this tool as a smart highlighter. It looks for edges and textures as you paint, helping you select the subject quickly without fiddling through menus. With the selection brush active, trace the image you want to keep. Click and drag over the subject, staying mostly inside the edges so the tool can snap outward to the correct boundary. If the brush grabs too much background, hold Alt or Option while brushing to subtract from the selection. Then release to continue adding again. A slightly larger brush works well across broad areas like clothing or solid shapes. Switch to a smaller brush as you approach delicate details like hair, fingers, or curved edges. Take your time and watch the marching ants outline as it forms. This gives immediate feedback on what's in and what's out. If the selection misses a spot, simply paint over that area again. If it spills over, use the subtract gesture to rein it back in. The goal here is a confident, continuous outline around your subject before moving on. Once your selection looks solid, press Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on a Mac. This duplicates just the selected pixels onto a brand new layer, effectively giving you a clean crop of your subject without permanently altering the original image. You'll now have one layer containing the isolated subject and another with the full photo beneath it. Because this method is non-destructive, you can refine the selection later or blend it with backgrounds without starting over. That's the entire workflow. Press W to activate the selection brush. Carefully trace your subject to define the selection, and press Ctrl or Command+J to place the selection on its own layer. It's quick, precise, and flexible, making it a go-to technique for everyday edits and professional composites alike. Give it a try on a variety of images. High contrast edges will select almost instantly, while softer edges just need a bit more patient tracing. With a few passes, you'll be cropping like a pro in Affinity.